Okay, my dear student, good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic in economics that is known as Green Revolution. So first of all, you must know the meaning of the Green Revolution. Which kind of revolution it is? Each and every student think it. Which kind of revolution it is? So basically we can say that the meaning of green is crops and the meaning of revolution is quick changes. This is the general meaning of these two words. So what we generally perceive of these two things, these two words, that is known as quick changes in production of crop. Quick changes in the production of crop, that is known as green revolution. यानी फसलों में अप्रत्याशित परिवर्तन, इस फिनोमिना को हम लोग ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के नाम से जानते हैं. So we can say that late 1960s in India, this is known as green revolution. चूँकि ये भारत में 1960 सम ओवर 1965-66 के आसपास इस तरह की स्थिति उत्पन्न हुई, जिसकी वजह से भारत में जो क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन था उसमें अप्रत्याशित वृद्धि दिखाई दी. In these changes, we saw that production in wheat increased more than 3 to 4 times, and in rice it increased more than 2 to 2.5 times in previous year production. Green revolution, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में हरित क्रांति कहते हैं, हरित क्रांति के वजह से जो हमें फसलों में अप्रत्याशित वृद्धि दिखाई दी, उस वृद्धि की दर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा थी, इसलिए इसको अप्रत्याशित वृद्धि कहा गया, अनएक्सपेक्टेड इंक्रीजिंग कहा गया. और ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड जो इंक्रीजिंग थी वो कितनी थी? इन वीट इट इज अप टू 3 to 4 times, एंड इन राइस इट इज अप टू 2 to 2.5 times. It increased in previous year production. So it was unexpected increasing in crop production in these two crops such as wheat and rice. So now we must know the factor which are responsible for it. What were the factors which are responsible for bringing green revolution in India? There are many factors, but some of the factors we are going to explain over here. So the first main factor was using of high yielding variety of seeds. As in previous video, we had discussed about what is high yielding variety of seeds, why it is important, and later we have seen that using high yielding variety of seeds by the farmer, there is a situation created in our country that is known as green revolution. So high yielding variety of seeds was very much important and vital role for bringing green revolution. The second one is land reform by government. There was a period when government start number of the programs, number of the schemes to improve land reform. Very much popular program was abolishment of zamindari system. As you all of you know that zamindari system was exploit Indian farmer as well as Indian agriculture. So there was a period when Indian government have done a great job abolishment by introducing a new reforms that is known as abolishment of zamindari system, and many more reforms were done by the government, and later it helps to bring the green revolution in India. Third one is using of chemical manure. Fourth, using of proper irrigation in the enclosure bag. The fifth one is proper using of pesticides by the farmer. Sixth, provide easy loan by the government to the farmer. And the seventh one is using modern equipment by the farmer. Also, there are many more reasons, but the main reason we have to discuss on that whiteboard. And I think to knowing all these things is enough related to topic green revolution. If there is any doubt, we have to be discussed, we have to be shut out and make clear of it. So, thank you.